everybody, this is Michelle Litwiller here with your Facebook Live. And it's Wednesday, so this is a little bit different, but with the new year and with the start of Sale-A-Bration today, I decided to do it today. So, Happy New Year. I'm glad that you're able to tune in tonight. So what I'm referring to is tonight I'm going to show you how to make this very simple but pretty card. We're actually going to do it in black and white, which is going to be very elegant, I think. And this stamp set is a Sale-A-Bration stamp set. We have this special going on. I'll talk about it more at the end of the video, and the occasions catalog went live today as well. So today is a really big day for Stampin' Up. Their biggest sale of the year started today. So make sure you're commenting. Tonight I have a package of the enamel, metallic enamel shapes. They're gold and silver. They're stars and hearts and circles. So I'm going to give this away to one lucky viewer. I even have it marked on the back. So I'll just have to add your name. So comment and share this video for a chance to win. These are really cute to add on your cards and paper crafting projects. And if you have any questions, let me know. I can answer at the end of the video. There is a host code up here, so if you do want to order, you can do that as well. So, but let's get started with our card that we are going to be making. Now this stamp set is from the Sale-A-Bration catalog, the Heartfelt Blooms. Now, this stamp set you can get free with any $50 order before shipping and tax. And so this is the one that we're going to use tonight anyway. Now this ribbon is also a Sale-A-Bration choice. You get 3 different colors. It comes, let me show you real quick. It comes in Calypso Coral, Bermuda Bay, and Basic Gray. And I will actually show you the live versions in a minute. It's shimmery and it's very, very pretty. Now in the regular catalog, we have some shimmer ribbon in black and Blushing Bride. So this, we're going to be using the black for this card tonight. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of the thick Whisper White that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. I went ahead and did that, and that is going to be our card. And then you're going, because we're doing a black and white card this time, we're going to be, I cut the basic black to 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, and the Whisper White is 4 by 3. So this is just going to layer right on to here. So I'm going to get up my image, and I'm gonna make this a thank you card because I always need a ton of those. This type of stamp, see how it's very, very detailed? They told us at on stage that this type of stamp, they're getting like a, what is it called, like a copyright for these types of stamps. So this, you'll be seeing more of these in the future anyway. It's very realistic looking. So I'm just gonna mount this, and we're just gonna ink it up. I just grabbed my Memento Tuxedo Black. We're gonna ink it up really good. I noticed today I was stamping a lot at work with Rhonda, designing cards, and I noticed it's really, really cold here in Michigan, and I noticed that my ink pads are like frozen almost inside. They're really cold. So I'm just going to be stamping this up here in this kind of corner. So I'm going to try to do that. I also have some more samples I'm going to show you after this of some of my favorite cards, so stick around, from the catalogs. So there's that, and now I grabbed my thank you. I'm just gonna be mounting this on here, and we're just gonna ink this up and stamp it in the bottom. And we stamped it straight, so that's good. So there's that. Now I'm just going to attach this onto the black piece. I knew this was gonna run out, so I'm gonna pop this out. I have a brand new snail here. If you're not sure how to change these, I do have a few ladies that sometimes get confused. You're just gonna grab your refill. The refill's a great deal because you keep this part and you just buy the refill. You take this little cardboard piece out and you throw it away. And then this just snaps right into place. Brand new, ready to go. So we'll get our adhesive down and we will attach this. And then I have the black shimmer ribbon, and this is just going to go around the whole card, and I'm just going to tie it in a knot. I had done a ribbon chair, so this is just what was left over. That's why it's not on the bolt. I'm just trying to tie this, and then I will trim it. Again, this is just a very simple and quick card that you can make like several of these for several at a time. You can change the sentiment or the color. I'm going to show you this in a couple other colors in just a second. I'm going to trim this a little bit more. Okay, and then we're just going to use Stampin' Dimensionals on the corners here. To pop this up. All right, and then this will just kind of, I'm gonna move the ribbon over a little bit, and this will go on here. And here you have a quick and simple thank you card. Just like that. Now you could add rhinestones or pearls. You could jazz it up a little bit if you wanted, but it looks great just like that for a quick and simple card. Now let me show you this card. Here it is in the Calypso Coral with the Sale-A-Bration ribbon. Again, you get 3 of the color of ribbon with a $50 order. Here it is with the Sale-A-Bration ribbon. This is the basic gray shimmer ribbon in basic gray. And here it is in Bermuda Bay. So this is the same card now in four different colors and different sentiments. Thinking of you and sending heartfelt thoughts. You could also make this a birthday card with a different stamp set. You could just run wild with this. So this is the card I wanted to demonstrate for you tonight. Now if anybody wants to place at least a $30 order tonight, I will send you the supplies to make 2 of these cards in the mail. So that's just a little bonus for tonight. Now let me show you a few other cards from and stamps that I really like from Sale-A-Bration. I think one of the biggest sellers, or everyone's gonna want, is this panda set. It's called Party Pandas. You can make some super cute cards with this. Here's one that I have, and this actually has all 3 different pandas on there. Cute little birthday card. So I think this one is going to be really popular. I've seen tons of cute cards with that. Another great like kid teen, I know that's kind of hard to get, teen or kids cards would be this one called Epic Celebrations. Has the guitar and the headphones and the sneakers. And here's a card I made this weekend with this stamp set. And this paper is Sale-A-Bration paper. You can get a pack of 12 by 12. I'll show you that in a second. So I use that and some silver foil. And I just use a little star from the Big Shot there. So this would be a great teen or kid birthday card, I think. One here, let me show you, grab out this ribbon. Here's the ribbon I was talking about. And what's really neat is it comes in 3 different widths. So the Calypso Coral is the thickest, and then the Bermuda Bay is the thinnest. So you get all 3 of these. I believe there's 5 yards on each, so 15 yards total. This is very, very pretty ribbon. which we used on the card. And here's one of the, this is called Bubble and Fizz. And it has some really fun colors, this paper in it. You can see here's the paper from that guitar card, and it has stripes. And this coordinates with a stamp set in the Occasions catalog. It has like the little soda pop and framelits, and there's bubbles on the back. And here's another fun pattern. It has a lot of the lemon lime twist, which is, I really like that color. It's also my son's favorite color. So I love it because it reminds me of him. This, the hearts on the back would be cute for Valentine's Day. And this has the little like the tabs, the tops. And the back is just a Bermuda Bay, like with a light stripe, thin stripe, I guess. And I think, there's one more. Here's the last one. I don't think I showed you this. Has little tiny bottles, and then the back is this fun little pattern. So you get this whole pack of paper. This is another selection you can use. I've been using this a lot lately, so you'll be seeing this a lot. Now this year, Stampin' Up! Did something different. They are offering, with a $100 order, you can get this really big stamp set called Happy Wishes if you place at least a $100 order. And I have that here. It comes in two cases because it's so big. And this has a lot of, like for birthdays, anniversaries, friends, best wishes, all kinds of stuff. So this is something new this year, is offering a $100 item. And then on this page, they offer another $100 item, which are these thinlits, the Celebrate, Amazing, and You. So again, they have two options where you can, if you spend $100, you can get these two items, which is new. So those are some of my favorites. Now in the Occasions catalog, I just wanted to show you a few cards that I've made with that. Here's one using, I can't think of the stamp set. In the Occasions catalog, there is a kit, a card kit that comes with this really pretty box, and this stamp set coordinates. We used a sponge dauber to color this in. Stephanie Mangus actually designed this card. And then there's another little set with hedgehogs. And this is using some of there's like a Valentine paper in there. And this is using that and that shimmer ribbon from the Sale-A-Bration. So we use the Stampin' Blends to color in the hedgehog. And they're just a couple different circles and different sizes on this card. So those are some of my cards and with new things that are coming out. Next Thursday, I have my birthday card club here in Davison, Michigan. So if you would like to join me for that, let me know. Or if you're long distance, you can get the kit to go. It's $5 more to ship it, and I can send you all the supplies. We're going to be making 8 birthday cards, 4 designs, 2 of each. If you're local, it's $15 or free with a qualifying order. And if you're long distance, it's $20 to ship it, or you can purchase, order online, and I can ship it, just pay the shipping for the kit. So if you have any questions about Sale-A-Bration, about the occasions, or you can even, if you're interested, you love Stampin' Up, you can join my team. Right now they have a great deal where you can get the starter kit for $99. You pay $99 in tax. It's free shipping. And on top of that, you pick out $125. So you get $125 of anything you want for only $99, free shipping. But now you get to pick out 2 extra free stamp sets of any value. So it's a really great time to join my team if you're interested. And anybody can do it, so there's no pressure. So if you're interested, let me know. I would love to have you join. Or if you host a class or a party, and it's at least $250, you can earn a bonus $25 hostess dollars on top of that. So if you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for joining me. I'll be here next Monday, because Tuesday I have a meeting. So Monday night I'll be back again. So I'll see you then. Bye.